Hi everybody, my name's Joey Morrissey and I work here at the Nature Institute. Today I'll be taking you through the Frog Trail, which is this green trail right here. The Frog Trail is one of our shortest trails. It's about half mile long, so it's great for little kids. So all along the Frog Trail, you'll find the StoryWalk. StoryWalk is put in by Hayner Public Library, and it's changed monthly. So here we are at the intersection of Frog, Fox, and Rock Trail. We're following Frog Trail, so we're gonna head this way. So stop by the skeet range if you'd like to have a nice view of the Mississippi River. Although this may be the shortest and the smoothest trail, sometimes you have to watch out for mud. So this is the sassafras tree. It's got pretty distinct leaves here. It has a dinosaur footprint kind of leaf, and a football leaf, and a mitten leaf. If you were to tear off part of the leaf and crumple it up a little bit and give her a smell, it smells like Fruit Loops. So this is a spruce tree, and if you look closely you can see a bunch of little holes in the tree, and all these little holes are made by a bird called the yellow-bellied sapsucker. So after the yellow-bellied sapsucker comes around, makes these little holes, hummingbirds like to come around and suck the sap out of the tree. All right, so this concludes our tour of the Frog Trail. Thanks for tuning in, guys.